Welcome to the world launch of the Maxxis Supermaxx Sport touring tyre. The tyre itself, 3 years in the making. There's a new sidewall here that gives us a higher bead, gives us a stiffer sidewall for better cornering and better response that's coming through and more of a neutral handling. At the same time, we've got a new monospiral steel belt. The belt, as it's put on, goes on with tension all the way through. So there's a different tension from the side to the centre of it, so we can make sure that we maximise the footprint as we're going over all the way through the tyre and as it rolls from side to side. The compound again is all new. It's a compound that we've designed in association with ExxonMobil, and we actually take the chemicals, and instead of the chemicals being bigger, we're breaking the chemicals down into smaller pieces. That smaller pieces gives us a better traction all the way through, better life of the tyre and better feel all the way through. We see less chunking of the tyre coming through and less feathering as well. It really does look the same from start to finish because of the chemicals that we're now using inside the tyres. The last major benefit that we've got on this tyre now is just in here. Where the little bits are here is called a sipe. We see the tread that's here for dispersing the water, but in the middle of that is a sipe. Because as you move over from the tyre, as you're leaning, the tyre needs to move and it needs to bend, and we need the tyre to open itself up to give us a maximum footprint when we're moving over. Now a normal sipe, as it goes, it moves slightly. What we've got now is a 3D sipe, so we've got a wave. So as the waves go, it's not actually allowing the movement. As we're going over on one side, the 3D sipe is locking and no movement. The top side of it is opening up. As it rolls round, we've got the reverse as well. So it actually gives us a better feel, better handling and a better footprint that locks to position now with these new 3D sipes.
This Ronda Road in Spain is definitely one to tick off the bucket list. To be honest, I'm really impressed with the sports touring tyres as well from Maxxis. I've tried the Michelin Pilot Road 4s, the Bridgestone T30s, the Metzeler Z8s, and they're all really good at pretty much everything. And I was hoping these would be just as good, and so far in the dry, they are. They're gripping well, there's not a lot of movement from them, they're really sure-footed, and they're quite confidence-inspiring. So I'm going to keep on going and have some fun.
The tyres, the bikes and the journalists, everybody's performed fantastically. We've really put these new tyres through their paces and they've come out on top. Everybody look out for the new Supermaxx ST.